What if I told you that one single sentence, just a few words said at the exact right moment, could make a woman feel instantly drawn to you? And I'm not talking about how you look or what you do for a living. I'm talking about saying something that touches something deep inside her, something emotional and real. What if you could speak in a way that makes her stop, smile, and look at you differently without you even trying to impress her or prove a point? The 6 phrases I'm sharing with you today aren't tricks. They are powerful tools rooted in psychology and how people actually connect. When you say them the right way, they spark curiosity, interest, and a real emotional bond. They flip the script. Instead of you chasing her, something inside her starts moving toward you. When you understand how to reach that emotional center, you don't have to chase anymore. She starts seeing something rare in you, something worth holding on to. These phrases stay in her head long after the conversation is over. But before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. By doing that, you're not just helping yourself grow, you're helping this message reach men all over the world who are tired of being ignored or stuck in the friend zone. Your support helps us help more men build better lives. Now, let's get into the words that touch her heart before she even realizes why. Phrase 1. You have a unique way about you. I like that. Most guys try to get a girl's attention by complimenting her looks. They say, "You're beautiful," or "You look great tonight." And yeah, that's nice, but she hears it 100 times a day. It feels empty. It doesn't spark an emotion. But then you say, "You have a unique way about you. I like that." Suddenly, everything changes. This isn't just a compliment, it's a recognition. Women want to be seen for who they are, not just what they look like. It's mysterious. It makes her think, what does he see in me? Is it my laugh? The way I tell stories? It creates a mystery she wants to solve. The key is timing. Use it when she's being herself. Maybe she's laughing at her own joke or talking passionately about a hobby. Pause. Look her in the eye with a calm energy and say it slowly. Don't over-explain it. Let the silence do the work. You're showing her that you notice the small things others miss. That's rare. I like women who know what they want. This is a game changer. It's not just a compliment, it's a standard. Most guys try way too hard to get a woman's approval. They agree with everything she says just to be liked. But when you say this, you shift the energy. You're not auditioning for her, you're stating what you value. Now she's the one wondering if she meets your standard. It shows you have clarity and purpose, traits that are incredibly attractive. Say this when she makes a bold choice or shares a strong opinion. It shows you're a high-value man who isn't just looking for anyone, but someone specific. That's what I like most about you. Compliments about looks fade. Compliments about character stick forever. When she's sharing something real, maybe why she cares about her job or a personal goal, stop her and say, "That's what I like most about you. The way you care, it's real." It makes her feel understood, not just liked. When a woman feels understood, she relaxes and opens up. You've touched her soul, and she won't forget that feeling. You make things feel easy to talk about. In a world full of pressure and judgment, everyone is wearing a mask. When you tell her she makes things feel easy, you're giving her a sense of emotional safety. You're telling her that her energy is comfortable. This makes her wonder, why do I feel so much like myself around him? That's how you become unforgettable. Say it when the conversation is flowing naturally. It's a quiet realization that builds massive trust. There's something about the way you think that I really respect. Most men ignore a woman's mind. When you tell her you respect the way she thinks, you're standing out from every other guy she's met. It shows you're actually listening, not just waiting for your turn to talk. It triggers her curiosity and makes her feel valued on a deeper level. Use this when she shares a unique perspective or a world view. It turns a casual chat into a compelling connection. You don't have to try so hard with me. I like the real you. This is the most powerful one. It gives her permission to stop performing. Women often feel they have to be perfect or interesting all the time. When you say this, you're offering her a safe space to just be. It lowers her defenses instantly. It shows you're not there to be entertained, you're there to connect with the real, unfiltered version of her. That builds a level of desire that no pickup line could ever reach. These 6 phrases are your keys to building real emotional trust. Once you stop chasing approval and start speaking with intention and calm energy, everything changes. You aren't just saying words, you're creating moments. If this helped you, support the channel. Hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Drop a comment below and let me know which phrase you're going to use this week. Share this with a friend who needs to hear it. We're here to help you grow into the best version of yourself. This is Booknestle. Keep your standards high, your words intentional, and your energy calm. The right woman will feel it, and she won't forget you.